Hey folks, if you're in the market for an amazing SUV, we got the perfect one for you. Hey, Greg Roberts down here in Infiniti of Melbourne, and the 2023 Infiniti QX60 Autograph Edition is available. Not only is it a very good looking vehicle, it's got the best ride, plus it comes with the best in class warranty. 4 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty, plus a 6 year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. And one step there, you're going to get 3 years worth of complimentary factory scheduled maintenance included, no additional charge. And right now, if you purchase or lease any new QX60, we're going to throw in 1 year's worth of complimentary gas on us. That's right. So the only thing you got to do is just push the key and start driving. Only in Infiniti Melbourne. I'll see you here.